Hi everybody, welcome to Shaker's Conglomerate. I'm here with Honored Fox and we're going to build his PC. Most of it anyway. So we got Ryzen 3 2200G, 16 gigs of DDR4 3200. What's your card?
That's the old R9 from the previous rig.
Oh, this one's not for this rig.
This isn't for this rig, no.
Right.
This was the stand-up for the RAM.
Yeah, we're just using that for a stand. We're putting, what graphics card in?
RX 480.
RX 480, okay.
8 gig.
Then we also got the
1 terabyte SSD and a B450.
B450 Aorus Pro Wi-Fi motherboard and a Game Diaz 650 watt power supply and the AZZA AZZA 250 case. So these are the parts from the video I told you about before. So we're going to build this AMD rig and see how well it works out.
Give it a go.
Set this off the side for now. Oh, and that tempered glass, there's no catches. So when you take that last screw out, it just goes
gone.
Okay. Set that off the side for a moment. Alright. We got the Wi-Fi adapter, comes in here, single antenna.
Very serious.
Ooh. 2 SATA cables, one with a 90 degree. What do we got here now? Oh, this is the quick connection for the
LED
restart and everything. Aorus Pro pin for your case.
Some standoffs.
M2 screw.
M2 screw.
Look at that, a useless CD-ROM.
Woohoo! Well, I was going to install the BIOS. It's a pretty sweet sticker.
It is, actually. I'd keep that for your new case. Yes, I was looking at the instruction manual. I like them. Do you want to take it out?
Yeah, I do, sure.
I bet you do.
Ooh. Ooh.
Damn, that's gorgeous.
That's a nice looking board.
Did you have an M.2 slot put in?
Did I originally?
No, I was just joking.
Oh, do I have one?
Popped one out of your ass.
Yeah. Oh, by the way, we now know what they do.
Ooh, you get a Ryzen sticker. Money.
There's money in there?
Yeah, right here. You get a cooler.
You get a cooler. That's all it is. It's actually just a heatsink.
Yeah.
There's no processor in that box. They just
a heatsink.
Yep.
I'll leave that up to you.
Okay.
I mean, I can do it, but...
We're going to install the bracket to the bracket.
Bracket to the bracket?
Yep. Courtesy of The Verge. Cool beans.
You know, honestly, when I was looking, I was going to buy you an FX chip because I thought that would be the cheap option.
Yeah.
No,
What?
it's not the cheap option.
No, those cards never came down in price.
You might as well just go with the Ryzen.
Like for a 9800 or whatever?
It was $100.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, I'm not spending $100, but for $30 more, I can buy
Yeah.
Ryzen
And like
chip.
force Adam to stay
Yeah.
in like last gen.
DDR3 world.
Yeah, exactly. For another 3 or 4 years. Here's your favorite,
Ooh.
your manual. Yep, for reading privileges.
Installation. Don't bend the pins.
Don't bend the pins. Oh!
Ooh.
More than one sticker.
Double sticker. You'll have to keep those in the safe
It's
place.
a big day. Big day for everybody. That's it, guys. There's not much to it. I'm sure everyone's seen a processor before. Oh, well. Okay, this is the
says
cool
it's
part.
compatible with your BIOS socket AM4.
Good. Don't show them the English side on the back.
No, I won't.
So this is a cool trick. You can just slap it and it'll right in, no problem.
I'd give you my house if you could do that.
Don't make promises you can't keep.
Hon, we're getting an apartment.
Yeah, sorry. Adam did something remarkable, and it was also on camera.
I don't know. I think we could buy a house with a YouTube hit to get rid of that.
Bah, yeah. Idiot somehow manages to flip. Come on. Oh, it's because I'm an idiot.
I was wondering.
It's because I'm super dumb.
There you go.
Like a glove.
Beautiful. This is the most nerve-wracking part.
I know. Whew.
Beauty. She's in. That's not going in.
I'm just scared, okay? Slip.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Oh, put the memory in, then the cooler, yeah.
Nah, whatever. Fuck it.
Alright, here you go.
Putting the cooler on. All the years. All the people I've chirped. All the times. All the stupid things I've said.
What about putting...
Yeah, but like, people just like dumping it onto
Ooh, another sticker. More
What?
performance.
Man, I'm going to put all these on.
That's
Liz's.
like...
I'm going to put them all on the old rig.
That's like 15 frames a second.
Oh my god. I can't wait. I can't wait. Fortnite, here I come.
Oh, yes.
It was unobtainable to this point.
I didn't like Fortnite.
I don't either. We play a few battle royale games,
Yeah.
but I find we never really. Man, I'm just gonna keep messing this up. It's all good.
Oh, yeah, as long as it's on the chip, you're good.
Little circle, no problem. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Indiana Jones is shit. No problem. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
IT guys, they don't build computers.
We don't even know what we're talking about. I think it's because it's like trying to pull that
Well, it's got to tighten
the
it,
mounting
right?
bracket.
Just put a couple threads in. Here.
It's good. Yeah.
And you get that spring on there that's turning on the metal on metal. That one's down. That one's down. That one's down. That was your motherboard. Yep, there we go. Ooh, did you get that peel on camera?
Elon Pelon.
Elon Pelon?
Ooh. Dang. Well, there's good. Ooh. My. This is that case.
Slide that panel up on the other side. That lights up.
Does it really?
Yeah.
Red?
Probably. This case is all about the red.
Power supply.
The Gandias.
As previously reviewed, we know it has silent mode and silent mode.
And 80 RGBs and 650 watts, 80 plus certified.
Wait. Is that what we're putting in mine?
Yeah.
No.
Why?
Because my 850 is better than that.
Okay, I thought you just were borrowing this for now.
Well, I could just put in that one.
And then put in this one, that one, sure.
It is a lot of work, though, taking out that hole. And I am going to get a new power supply. Yeah, I'll just use this.
It'll be fine for now.
Yeah. Edit.
Yeah, whatever. Leave that in there. Little fan down. Since there's an actual filter for it, which is kind of cool.
It's everywhere. This is rocket science, Sugar.
That is, yeah. Just need the bottom one, I think.
G hovers. I suppose you want me to take it off the mount too. Ugh.
I don't care.
I'm not telling you to.
Not too concerned about the mounts. This is a very interesting system.
Insignia. Charge!
Alright, there you go. Your electric bill. That's all that matters.
Stepped on the door, probably bent it and broke it. It's all ruined everything. Do you think it's just red, or do you think it has like a...
Oh, I'd be surprised if it's dressable.
Yeah, I don't know how it would be.
I don't know either. It's.
Out of like running through one of these.
I don't think so.
Like, where is it? Where is the...
You can't see it now. It's stuck behind the power supply.
Oh, okay. And it's just like a Molex cable?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then it's not addressable at all. You're right. You okay?
I'm gonna take that fan out of the back.
I love that idea. I loved it from the very beginning. Here you go. Here's your screwdriver. 3, 2, 1. Take it out.
I'm not sure why the fans have so much.
Yeah. I don't know.
Is it just extra power?
Well, this is
This is your fan
CPU 2, but then if you didn't want to run it on your actual fan control and you just wanted to run it through Molex.
Oh.
And then
That's
when
what
you're
we're doing.
running a Molex, but then you didn't want to take the actual, like say you had 3 fans running, you could run it essentially
Oh,
on
you
one Molex power. because
Okay,
it
so
just
you can daisy
blew.
chain them. Good. You might have to do that with someone else.
Yeah. Sweet.
You love the Molex.
So much.
That fits in there.
I appreciate the sports, or the board, obviously. I appreciate the case a lot, but I'll be glad to have, like,
Oh yes.
the cat's ass. I really do like this window up here. I think it's pretty...
I even made
Pretty
sure
cute.
that fits in there.
Hmm?
That fits in there beautifully.
Yeah, deep. Hey? Aren't you glad that they just put that on?
Yes.
Oh my god! I find it so annoying.
I don't know
You
if
have to, like, warp the I/O shield. Like, come on, just... Yeah, I see the little clips. I think they just need to...
It was one of the things I was looking for. I wouldn't buy without it.
My hat getting in the way. Do you find that really annoying?
I don't know.
Dylan always has his hat backwards.
Hmm.
So when we're looking over, my hat's in front of his face. But normally when you're looking over a car, your hats will bang. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
dink.
Screws. All kinds of screws.
Screw loose. Oh, I also haven't told Gage or Dylan what I got for Christmas.
Oh, no?
Yeah. So I don't know if you guys have told them or not.
No.
They did a good job of keeping it a secret. So this will be, if they actually watch it,
a surprise.
I won't tell them. You know what I mean? It'll be yeah, we built a computer. But this was a gift. This motherboard, this processor, this RAM. This is technically a loaning case as well as a loaning power supply. In fact, the only thing I own inside of this computer, well, I own all this stuff now, but the only thing I'm contributing is an old graphics card.
And an HDD.
Oh, yes. No, that's not going in here.
Oh, no, just the SSD, right?
Yeah.
I did put I had to put a 1 terabyte HDD that I just had laying around in for now.
Yeah, just for space.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that. No. I wouldn't play off it, though.
Oh, I am. But I just don't have any room.
Just play dumb games. Play like StarCraft. Who cares? Who cares? Nobody. I need a drink coffee.
Yep.
Your hot chocolate gone?
You want to fill this up for me?
Yeah.
It's cold water. Any tap you find?
What would you guess this is at?
32%.
70.
70?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Well, I told you it was at 50, like.
Yeah.
5 minutes ago. A cup. The jar of Masons.
Motherboard's in.
I don't care.
Okay.
I do care, actually. So what are we feeding? Express line? Yep. That's the main one, right? Ooh, you're right. No, I think we have to go
Down one?
Yeah.
Or you just come straight up if you wanted to.
We'll save that one. Ugh, it doesn't clip together?
It's
Oh, it does. Yeah, it does.
it clips together.
Technically.
It's not a. It's an okay product.
It ain't a hold, but it's a clip. Yeah, I get you. As you can see, everybody here, I don't know. That's it. That's what's holding this 24-pin adapter together. No problem.
Must be a Canadian company, I'm wondering.
Who?
This Game DS power supply. I've never seen that on a box before.
Neither have I. Oh, Canada.
Just so everybody knows, Industry Canada.
That's good. That goes in straight. It's firm. I will love once I have a fully modular, but beggars can't be choosers, my friend.
It's fun to use it.
Yeah, this gives us a point. Molex. So let's do the.
Yeah, you can do this one next.
Try not to block when I'm going to the front here.
Is it how many pins is up there?
8.
8 pin, eh?
Yeah, I don't get both.
Do you want?
Oh, it's another system fan.
Do you want this one or this one?
That one, I guess. Yeah.
A little more.
A little more
bendy.
Bendy, yeah. Excuse me, everybody.
Got to plug it in.
Got to get in the way. You know what's kind of neat about this top window is you actually can see
what you're doing down there.
But as well, if you put your rad up here, it would look pretty stupid.
This can't run that way, can it, by chance?
To where? Oh, down around?
And down into this one here.
Into...
That's
how far?
That's the HD audio way over here.
We might be able to. Let's be careful with that black one. I'm going to tuck it just so it doesn't pull. Okay. Can you get that? We can.
HD audio.
Hold up before you're doing it. Yeah. I'm going to go behind this cable. you want the motherboard? I suppose that one's labeled.
Yeah, I was just making sure I had the pins lined up properly. North, south, you know what I mean?
Yep. Do you need the book for the
We'll have
front?
to use that little clip. Yeah, here you go.
No excuse, Adam. Power LEDs. Oops.
It hurts so much.
Oh my god. Well,
Ow!
I know you like my swagger. What you doing? Are you breaking it?
Just trying to pop off the front panel.
Does the top have to come off?
Maybe we'll top it off first. But let's get on. Let's get all the wires. It's just held on by a little plastic clip, so it should come right off.
Oh yeah.
Just have to give it some love.
Red fan? I wonder how loud it is.
Yeah, it probably is red fan. Got
Yeah.
that screwdriver there beside you, please. Fix my drawers.
Yep. Important. It's important. Where'd my finger?
This ain't the crack show.
Just a crack shop.
Yeah.
Is there any more? No, just these. Cool. Crap. Cool. What was that? Everything's broken?
Everything's broken. It's all gone. Everything's ruined.
SW.
People are gonna cry.
Everyone's crying already. This is the one I was originally looking at.
Power LED, plus minus, yeah, so right beside each other.
SW.
Oh, power switch. Where's power switch? Power right there. Yeah, that one.
This is the part I get Dylan to generally do because I think I told you that last time when we were doing yours. I was like, I don't really like this part. My hands are big and I make mistakes. You know what? Power LED
Mistakes were made.
minus power LED.
Which one's that? Call of Duty?
What, mistakes were made?
Yeah.
Yeah, we fall, jump off.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one good thing about the game. Yeah.
Yeah, Call of Duty if you're listening. WTF.
Yeah, don't waste your money, kids.
Yeah.
We don't actually recommend games on this channel. We actually just say what the games we don't like.
Yeah. We don't want you playing the stuff we like.
Yeah. We won't tell you what games we actually play.
Like Barbie's Dreamhouse.
I don't play it much anymore, okay? Speaker!
Yeah, I gotta have a look at Nicole's computer too.
Hmm?
She went to play Jurassic World Evolution,
Mm-hmm.
and same as Disney Evolution, it would not run.
What?
Yeah, she can't. Like, some games just won't run on her computer. She can't figure it out.
How's the front look?
Good.
Oh!
Those are my fans. My case.
Hmm?
Give you some better cooling.
Oh, what? I was like, what are you talking about?
Yeah, the big 140's going in.
I didn't know. I didn't understand. Where's the little one that was there?
Behind you. It's pretty cheap feeling.
Yeah, but it is an LED.
I'm gonna put it up here.
Or just replace that back black one, eh?
Oh, I got the one for the back.
What's that one?
Third 140. Oh no, that's just a 120 mount in the back. Never mind.
Yeah, so we'll just...
Is that gonna?
I think the idea of putting the LED here is the best.
Just fit. Yeah, up here. Yeah.
Yeah. Have that red shine through. Oh, man. Oh, these are nice fans. Well, it's your case, so I mean,
Yeah.
you're getting them back.
Yeah, I'm not giving these fans away. Oh, I want to grab the
Just in case everybody knows, these
Beak
are
white
really
box.
super lame. Which one?
Yeah, you just screws out of that.
How much of an improvement do you think this motherboard with the internal Wi-Fi will make on any of my connection issues?
Why, you have bad connection?
I just have like intermittent issues. It seems with like networking, even at like peak. You know what I mean? Like no interferences.
That's weird.
Yeah,
Probably a lot.
like jitter spikes or like lag spikes.
Yeah, it's probably the. Honestly, it's probably the internet.
See, I thought that for a long time, and then
Not the internet provider, the internet system on the motherboard.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Or like
Like whatever.
trying to
controller.
communicate with the, because I just have a PCIe
Right.
wireless card.
Okay.
So and it's like it was developed for like Windows XP.
Exactly.
You
As
know
I
what I mean?
say, it's just
Yeah.
not.
It-
It's
I don't
old.
think it converts. Yeah, exactly. It doesn't process that data at that rate. I don't know. We're
Yeah,
making up
it
stuff at
doesn't
this
know.
point.
It
But you
doesn't
know
know
what I'm
how
saying.
Doesn't know how to work at the speeds that are today.
That's just it. Which is dumb because it is like a really nice. You can see it. It's a nice PCIe card, but I don't think it's the card's fault. I think it's like we were saying. It's the capacity altogether.
That's all these ones. So that can go to here at the bottom. Let's see. Yes, thank you. I suppose there's no fan controller on this.
No, but we'll just come right out.
I don't know if you want to try to hide that one. I'll leave it up to you.
We should use.
I love that you put the beeper in it.
Yeah, that's what it's for, isn't it?
Well, yeah, I've never seen the beeper.
It's
in.
for error codes.
I know, it's just awesome.
It's important. We're gonna hide it, but
This way, this way, this way.
yeah. So these are the two white.
Those are the two 140s at the front.
And they don't have Molex. They're just
Yeah, we could have done something better about that.
what?
We should have fed that.
Let's do it. I don't want that.
No, I don't want that. Take that. Bring it up through this one.
And I'll like just hide the. Well, whatever. Whoop. And then you can tuck the speaker, eh?
I doubt it.
Like back down.
Yeah, I doubt it.
You just think it's gonna stick out. Whatever.
I'll try my best. There you go.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's much
Oh
better.
shit!
Oh, what did you do?
I forgot about this one.
Is that USB as well?
Yeah.
Nope, over here.
Like with the USB. Okay. Yeah. I can't actually see where that's going. Oh, okay.
There we go.
Good. So good. Speaker hidden.
Very nice.
Ah, I see it.
No shit. Yeah. How's that look? Can I see? Ooh, so much better.
Where's your fans?
Forgot about them. I forgot about them.
We need 4 fan connections, right?
Oh, what's that? You have a bridge.
Hub.
Bridge.
Yeah, just run them all through the back here.
All of them?
Yeah, we'll run them all into this one.
And just leave. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll put this on this channel fan 1. This piece here. So where's channel fan 1 or system fan 1?
It's
Not the CPU fan.
It's up here. Sorry.
That one.
Okay, I understand now that you hand me this. Do you want this beat?
Yeah, you just hit that top hole.
That's all you're gonna get.
No, I just wrapped it in here.
Oh, you're right. You're right. Oh, no,
Yeah,
inside that shield, eh?
At the back there, that's fine. Yeah, that's where it goes into the fan.
Oh yeah, no. I just didn't realize how close it was to the shield.
Yeah.
It's too bad that it covers that, but whatever.
You got 2 hard drives?
Yep.
Or SSDs, sorry?
Yep.
Put those in.
I can put one SSD in here.
Oh, those.
Oh, yeah.
90%.
So,
Or do you want red ones?
do you have red ones? That'd be cool for the time being. Why not? Let's just do red ones.
That should be sucking and that should be blowing.
Don't know. Huh, that is neat.
Yeah, I like the way this top works.
Be careful, all your wires are attached to that.
No problem. I got distracted. I was going to put those side cables in.
You were talking about it.
That's right. That's right. Bad to the bad to the bad. Bad to the bone. Me to the bone. Me to the bone.
I guess this one here you're gonna want to come up that front hole. Yeah,
Who? Which one? This one?
yeah.
Oh, for my GPU.
Yeah. Where do you see? You must have at least one, don't you?
I was like, I don't know where it is. It's on the back.
Oh, it's on the back?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Well, let's see
Come right here. Yeah, exactly. Right here is perfect.
Yeah, oh, it's so sticky it doesn't even want to come off.
What are you doing? Oh, that's for the mount?
Yeah, the PWM thing. There we go.
Right here? Or do you want to?
I think that's the best spot for
Yeah, and
it.
then we put my two bags of drives right here.
Right here. In the sled.
Huh?
Put them in the sled.
I only have 8 SSDs.
Yeah, they have the slots in there. See?
Oh, yeah, you're right. Shut up, Shaker. Stop being right. Mount that bay. We're just screwing hard drives. Well, I suppose we can turn it around at this point.
Yeah, why don't we? I'll get 4 screws. How's your formatting going on your old hard drive?
I think it's done, probably.
That camera's good?
Yeah, it's too close.
No, this one?
Oh. It was, yeah. It's going to run out of batteries, though.
Oh, snap. We're almost done, Adam.
Hardware aspect, yeah. Man, it's a sweet card. I still love it, but I still think it's wicked.
Oh, yeah. So, which ones do we have to break off?
Huh?
What tabs do we have to break off there? Swing this around for the light.
You don't have any compressed air, do you?
No.
Oh, right.
I do not, unfortunately.
Close-ups.
I'll hold this so you can push on it.
My favorite part.
Put the screws in and hold her up.
It must be it, eh?
Yeah.
I think it's in. Feels like it is, but it's just a little offside.
Big screwdriver over there, buddy.
That's just that on computer.
Oh, you had it over there.
There's a screwdriver.
Yeah, that's...
Oh.
Yeah, it's so annoying. And then we can come in onto it from the outside.
There we go. Here we go.
And it's just from us turning and torquing on it.
Mm-hmm.
No, I need more. No, I mean like it's not going to click. Yeah, there you go. Ow. And
It's a good $50 case.
for $50.
Comes with one LED fan, one regular fan, a power supply shroud, which was really nice, and some letters.
Some letters. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll finish up the cable management for you.
Please. Yeah. Hey. Well, whatever.
That's better.
Where's the?
That's why they make graphics card stands.
Yeah. Now you know why I wanted to put it on vertical mount. Where's the GPU line?
Oh, see that through right now. Top or bottom? Middle.
Middle.
I'll feed it all through for now.
Yeah, I just want.
You can figure out how you want it on that side. Alrighty.
As I sit back and just like watch, I'm actually just like admiring the inside. Like, it's good cable management, man. It is good. I want to tuck these loosies in a little bit down there, just a tiny bit. Yeah, good.
Couple loosey goosies, eh? Alrighty then, if I have to get your help with this. Always need help with these panels.
Actually, you know, that's pretty good concealment. You did a good job. This is going to be a little tight, but the top's good. Nope. Pull back. Okay. Bottom good?
Yep.
Wow. Okay. That was it. No, bottom not in. Oh, it's just bowing out.
Yeah. Okay. Just a little bulge.
Shaker!
I told you it was going to be tight on this side. Okay, there, it's all in. Set it like that.
I just wanted to walk in front of the camera and take all the plastic out.
Oh, you're going to do the peel for them.
Do you want it?
No, go ahead. You just didn't do it on the top part.
Sticky. That's not even a modular power supply.
What?
Yours.
Which one?
In there.
I told you.
Your Corsair?
I know.
Yeah. Well, you were saying you wanted to use it instead. I was thinking maybe.
And that's where I was like, why am I?
Yeah.
We're going to get a new one anyway. That's,
I was thinking it was modular, but.
no, why? Exactly. Why go through the effort of unplugging, cutting all those ties and everything.
For no
and then
reason.
Putting it back in. Exactly. No. I like computers, but I don't like them that much. Ooh.
Now you ready to see it fires up?
I'd like to know if it works, yeah.
Cool. It's not just red either.
Hey, neat. Wait, so how do we control that?
I like the RGB from underneath from the fan. Well, I like that. That looks good. That's not an ugly cut there.
Nope.
The Gigabyte's pretty cool there. Oh, you little beeper.
It's a good thing it's there. Now we know.
Beeper.
Beeper works.
All blowing the right way. I did that with 4K camera.
Do both then. Fine. Can I plug the 4K thing in?
Yes, right. Oh, nice. Slow down, slow down.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. Let me go slower. As you can see,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have the Ryzen 3 2200 DDR4 16 gigs of RAM. The Sapphire RX 480 8 gig internal GPU. All riding on the sweet Aorus B450 Wi-Fi ready motherboard. Is that better? Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah, well, just, you know.
I'm just teasing, man. You're right.
The viewers would probably like to see it as much as you would.
Oops, I hit a button. Hit this button. Volume.
There we go, you want straight in 14.
Yes.
Yeah, don't turn it again.
As
Just
hard
for
as I
wiggle
can.
room. There we go. There we go. Yeah, it looks pretty slick with the glass on. Except for that. That looks bad.
What, the hands?
It's a drive bay.
Oh, yeah. Well, whatever. Looks pretty cool.
Exactly. I actually like the case. Don't be telling me.
No, we need every angle covered always.
That's what you're saying.
pizza, right? For the goodbye. I'm so right, I know.
I don't know what to do with it.
Hold it in your hand.
That's fair. Done. I'm done. Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, dislike. Let us know what you think below. Let us know your feelings. We'll see you next time. Have a good day.
Shake it from the Lawbrins.